Next, we'll solve some basic problems related to factors and factorization. Here, the given question is, how many positive factors are possible for 375? With this example, I will explain you the basic procedure to factorize a given number. Further, consider the given number 375. And first of all, identify the minimum integer value with which this number is exactly divisible. That value is 3. If we divide 375 with 3, it gives 125. And again, repeat the same procedure until we get a 1 at the end. That is, identify the minimum value with which 125 is exactly divisible. That value is 5. On dividing 125 with 5, it gives 25. Again, identify the value with which 25 is exactly divisible. It is nothing but 5. On dividing 25 with 5, it gives again another 5. So here, finally, we got a prime number, and on dividing this number with itself, 5, it gives 1, right? Here, we have to obtain the number of possible factors, right? In order to answer that question, you just check these values, 375, 125, 25, and 5, right? Don't consider this 5. Beginning from 375, you just make a count. We have 4 numbers, right? So that 4 multiplied with 2 is the desired answer. So here we have 8 possible factors. Let me validate this answer. For that, first of all, you consider these 4 numbers and you separately write them like this: 375, 125, 25, and 5. These 4 numbers are the factors of 375. You just observe here. Anyway, every number is a factor to itself, and 125, 25, and 5 are the factors of 375. What are the other possible factors? As we know, for any number, 1 is a factor. Here, 125 is a factor of 375. So on dividing 375 with 125, we'll get a 3. And this value 3 is also a factor of 375. Next, if 375 is exactly divisible by 25, then 375 divided by 25 gives 5 multiplied with 3. That value is 15. 15 is also a factor. Likewise, if 375 is exactly divisible by 5, then 375 divided by 5 is 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 3. That value is 75. 75 is also a factor. These 8 are the possible factors of the given number 375. Next example, what are the possible factors of 516? Just like in our previous example, consider the given number 516 and as a first step, identify the minimum value with which this number is exactly divisible. It is simple. 516 is exactly divisible by 2 and it gives 258. Again, 258 is exactly divisible by 2 and it gives 129. Now, 129 is exactly divisible by 3 and it is giving 43. Right, let us stop here. This 43 is a prime number. Right? So, on dividing 43 with itself, it is giving a 1. Now, in order to obtain the factors, just like in our previous example, you take 516, 258, 129, and 43. Now, There is one more factor, 1. These 5 are the possible factors. Now we have some more factors that are to be identified. 516 divided by 258 gives a value 2. 2 is also a factor. 516 divided by 129 gives a value 2 multiplied with 2, that is 4. Similarly, 516 divided by 43 is equal to 3 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, that's value is 12. So these are the different possible factors of the number 516. So here also the count is 8.